Hi, good day. Welcome to your personal development class. It's our week 1, session 1, and I know you're so excited. And so I am. It's me, teacher Donna. I'll be the one who's guiding you to our session 1. Of course, you have to use our module 1 entitled Knowing and Understanding Oneself During Middle and Late Adolescence. For your specific task for session 1, we only have 4. So, number 1, you just need to read what I need to know on page 4. Then, number 2, you have to answer the what I know on page 5. Then, 3, you have to answer the what's in on page 6. And then, the last, you just need to answer the what's new on pages 7 to 9. In our session 1, don't forget that you need to use a separate sheet of paper as your answer sheet in our modules. I hope you enjoy our session today. Let's begin. Welcome to Quarter 1, Module 1 of Personal Development. Our topic for today is all about knowing and understanding oneself during middle and late adolescence. And of course, we will use the work of our writer, Vida Cruz. I'm Teacher Donna and welcome to my class. These are the objectives of Module 1. This is designed to help you in your journey on assessing yourself and to become a better person as you are. At the end of this module, you should be able to explain that knowing oneself can make a person accept his or her strengths and limitations and dealing with others better. And of course, you have to share your unique characteristics, habits, and experiences. Those are the things that you need to do in this module. Before we begin to our lesson proper, let's have a short activity first, which will measure your knowledge about our topic. What I know. You have to rearrange or unscramble the letters to make a word. Of course, you have to use an intermediate paper for your answer sheet. So we have there number 1, LESF. Number 2, AOPSELNRTYI. 3, GEMAI. 4, ODLEEVP. 5, HRACTREAC. 6, SHIBAT. 7, RIEXSCENTEE. 8, OMLIITATIN. 9, CATEDUION. 10, QUENIU. 11, RAHDINCESN. 12, OPSISIVET. 13, SIMSION. 14, COBVJETISE. And 15, ELRANGIN. Welcome to What's In. You need also to answer this activity on your same answer sheet. Just write what's in and then your answer. So it is a game for picks one word. I know you're familiar with this. So let's enjoy in doing this. It's only one compound word. So we have here 4-letter word and then hyphen and then 7-letter word. We have the 4 pictures there to reveal these hidden words. I love myself, and then a girl or someone out there having a trophy, identity, and a fingerprint, and a face shape, and then the reflection of a kitten. And of course, we have here your clue. Lesson 1, conduct self-exploration and simple disclosure. Just write your answer on your paper. I guess you got it right. Let's move on to the next. What's new? Let's have a self-concept inventory activity in this part. You have to analyze this. You have to take a look at your own self-concept and answer the following self-concept inventory in your paper. Give yourself a rating using the scale 0 to 4. 0 means very weak, 1 means weak, 2 somewhat weak or somewhat strong, 3 means strong, and 4 means very strong. Let's start. Number 1. You have to reflect to yourself and tell it to yourself. I have a strong sex appeal. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. I am proud of my physical figure. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. I am physically attractive and beautiful or handsome. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. I exude with charm and poise. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. I am easy to get along with. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 6. I can adjust to different people and different situations. 7. I am approachable. Other people are at ease and comfortable with me. 8. I am lovable and easy to love. 9. I am a fast learner. Can understand fit one instruction. 10. I am intelligent. 11. I have a special talents and abilities. 12. I can easily analyze situations and make right judgments. 13. I can be trusted in any transaction. 14. I have a clean conscience and carry no guilty feeling. 15. I have integrity and a good reputation. 16. My friends and classmates can look up to me as a model worth emulating. 17. I can express my ideas without difficulty. 18. I talk in a persuasive manner, what I can easily get people to accept what I say. 19. I can express my ideas in writing without difficulty. 20. I am a good listener. 21. I am emotionally stable and not easily rattled when faced with trouble. 22. I am logical and rational in my outlook and decisions. 23. I feel and act with confidence. And 24. I am a mature person. So I guess you have rated yourself honestly with a rating 0 to 4. Again, 0 as weak, very weak, 1 weak, 2 somewhat weak or somewhat strong, 3 strong, and 4 very strong. Since you're already done answering or rating yourself from 0 to 4 of your items 1 to 24, this time you just need to copy this table on your paper. Please use the same paper that we're using since the first activity, maybe at the back of your paper. Just write your score opposite each number and then get the subtotal by adding, of course, your rating. In what areas do you consider yourself strong or weak? So these questions will be answered based on your subtotal. And how are we going to do that? We need to use the scale below. If the subtotal of your rating in each characteristics or attributes, it tells something about you. So when you score 0 to 3, that means very weak. 4 to 6 means weak. 7 to 9 means somewhat weak or somewhat strong. 10 to 12 means strong. And 13 to 16 means very strong. So let's start. And physical appeal? Write your scores for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then sum it up. Just add it all. Next, for items 5, 6, 7, 8, human relations. Again, have the subtotal. For the next is intelligence, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Sum it up for the subtotal. For the character, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then do your subtotal. Communications, items 17, 18, 19, 20. Of course, sum it up for the subtotal. And the last would be maturity, numbers 21, 22, 23, 24. Add it all to have your subtotal. I guess you've done already, so very good. You may now work on your weakness until you become your strength. So if you have here a very low scores, like 0 to 3, those are considered very weak. So you know now what is your weaknesses, or what are your weaknesses. So you need to give effort to make those things your strength. It's just like a SWOT analysis. You will know your strengths and your weaknesses. Of course, nobody's perfect, so if you have the weaknesses here, it's okay, it's normal. But again, if you already know this and you already identify your weakness, it is very good if we are able to make these weaknesses our strengths. And if you got a very high score, just like strong or very strong in every attributes or characteristics, you don't need to flaunt it or you boast it. What you need to do is to maintain it or make it your asset to help others, of course. So that's good for you. Just be humble, even though you have those things. A high score with a physical appeal, human relations, then your intelligence, communication, maturity, and of course, character. See you to our next session. Have a rest, or maybe you can also have our advanced study for the next activities for session 2. And again, it's me, Teacher Donna.